In celebration of launching XMONDO Color in Sally Beauty in the United States and Canada, I'm gonna be telling you guys why XMONDO Color is the best semi-permanent color you can get your hands on. XMONDO Color is easy as to use. Seriously, all you gotta do is put some gloves on, dip your hand into the jar, put it on your head, comb or brush it through, and wait 20 minutes for processing. With other brands, it's super annoying. You gotta actually like pop the cap open, put it in a bowl, you need more equipment, it gets everywhere. Just not good. Do you think I was gonna stop there? Hell no. We also have Bond Booster built into this product. No extra additives needed. It is all in here, all for one price. With competing brands, you gotta buy that shit separately. Good luck. XMONDO Color is nice and thick because we like it like that. It will not run down your scalp, it will not run down your back or your crack, and it will not get all over your bathroom. This product being thick as fuck also makes it stay in place and super easy to apply to your entire head. Feels like a conditioning mask. With competing brands, it's drippy, it's icky, and it makes a mess all over your bathroom. I know my parents growing up hated me for that, so I decided to make a product that doesn't do that anymore. You're welcome. Hey guys, I'm over here. With this jar, you actually get 8 ounces of color, which is good for 3 uses for some heads of hair. More is actually more in this case. With competing brands, you get like 6 or a little bit more, but it's not a lot. I want my whole head color. And lastly, the best part about XMONDO Color is that it smells so good. I just want to feel sexy when I color my hair. Is that crazy? No, it's not. We did that for you. With competing brands, no. Shop exclusively at Sally Beauty now.